Hello everybody, this is version V Studio. I'm creating Vverse, an universe of a lot kind of content as concept artworks, manga, time-lapse, behind-story videos and request your own customized concept. Support me on Patreon or Fiverr, link in description below. In today's episode, we will dive in deeper into partial design. First, we will explore about the head part. Let's start to research about anatomy of the head. Unlike human head anatomy, mecha head anatomy is more flexible while designing. The very first part is mecha skull, where we can put the central processor and main parts inside it. The second part is eye or visor, which will provide the full view for pilot inside. Third part is jaw, where the whole head design will assemble with neck part. Now we will explore some type of mecha head. Mono eye design, the design which has one eye as visor. This type is usually used for autonomous models or sniper models. Dual eye design, the design which has two eye as visor. This type is usually used for general or standard models. Triple eye design, the design which has three eye as visor. This type is usually used for villain models. Quad eye design, the design which has four eye as visor. This type is usually used for multi-purpose design. Non-eye design, the design which has four eye as visor. This type is usually used for cyberpunk inspiration design.